Anyway, moderate lang ako, kainit kayo. Ah, you must have the of exceedingly, kami na anad. I didn't have any problem adjusting really because my father was a governor. And that was his office during many years ago. Kaning City Hall, wala gini mo renovation. But that is not the original building when my father was there. So I kind of really grew up with politics. Ngo to, maka-relate ko. Ang kanang akong giingon that my government is for the helpless, the hopeless, and the defenseless. Those are the words of my father. I just borrowed it from him. And since iyang gitinuod true to life, well, many years that I've been there, wala akong manghilabot sa inyong kwarta. Sometimes I could be harsh, but I was never really a despot to anybody. So, munang atong sabot, kaning karag ako karon mo gihapon ang rule. There will be no corruption. Just like here. The first to whip, sekretaryo ka sa kabinete, tapos nangwarta ka, then I'll just have to whisper, please go. There are so many people really wanting so many jobs. Daghang mo dawat. So there is really no dearth of talent in this country. Kanang naasa, I do not mean to offend anybody. Kanang sa customs, BIR, engineering, business, ng business office, gibaliktad ko na. From the janitor down, you know, alam ninyo yan. From the chief of office hanggang janitor, binaliktad ko. Sabi ko, kasi, you know, ang tao manggod na anad, nakawawa ang Pilipino eh. For example, is how much is going to pay? 50 pesos or that they permit. Pati pulis. Tapos magdala ka talaga ng extra. Magdala ka ng 20 para pamigay. You know, kung gusto ko lang talaga magkapera, ilang kontrata nandito sa Davao na yung park lang na yan. So there was this allegation na right at the beginning, pinahinto ko. And I called the audit people, commission on audit, i-audit mo muna before I continue with the work there. Otherwise, pag may nakita kayo maski piso na ninakaw, I will not only admit it, I will resign. Kaya ng ano ko, dito ganun rin. Hindi, ang Pilipino kasi hindi na nakakatikim ng, hindi na makatilaw og gobyerno ganing serbisyo og dili mo bayad. So, wala man akong sinasabi. Yung electricity clearance, demolition, pati yung sheriff, gano'n. Hindi gagalaw yung hindi mo bigyan. Lahat pati dito, please stop it. For, alam ko, it adds to your lifestyle. Ayun ang customs. Yung sweldo na BIR, ang ano nila, ano lang yan, pang dugang na lang na added value. But the main source is really corruption. And it has to stop. I am hell-bent in stopping corruption. Ayaw ko talaga. So, yan ang tandaan ninyo because you'll never get any help from me kung may mga kaso kayo na gano'n.